Lune. The entire team of the Fondation Félicité is here to help you prepare your soup properly. Marlene is here with me. She is the chief soup cooker. She's really the best person for making the soup for us. And we're gonna quickly tell you what you need. There's also Jessica is here, Jerry is filming, Clairvoyant is giving us light, Gitchlin is supervising, so everybody is at work since this morning to prepare this for you. So let's go quickly. What do we need? First we're gonna make independent soup. Then you need jumu. Jumu or pumpkin it comes in every form, all kinds of forms and different colors. So you have to, and the best way when you're trying to find out if it's good, you knock on it. If it has a sound, you're good. All right, then we need, so I see that's sour orange. We need poivron. It's au piment douce. That's pepper. Then we need real stuff. Pepper, hot pepper. It's a must. And you see what Marlene did with this? She stick the G-Wolf. Come on, G-Wolf. Anyway, let me pull one out so you can see. This is what I'm forgetting the name right now. So she sticks it in it so you don't have it in your mouth when you're gonna have your soup. Lemon. Carrot. Oil. Vinegar. Cabbage. Garlic.
Malanga.
Oh, malanga mbli.
Macaroni.
Macaroni.
Poivre.
Yeek.
Navet.
I forgot.
Pomme de terre.
Potatoes. Salt.
Épices probably.
And that's the pounded, we put all the spices in there and we do this with to turn it into this paste. Okay? You will need a great, everything is going away today. And you'll need this to crush your vegetables. Of course, you can also use a blender. So those are all the things that you need to get your soup.